Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to remove an admin from a group on Instagram using your PC, especially following the latest updates. If you're managing a group and need to make some changes, this tutorial will walk you through the steps. First, open Instagram in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your groups easily. Once you're logged in, look for the messages icon on the left menu. This icon usually resembles a paper airplane or speech bubble. Click on it to enter your direct messages. Next, locate the group chat from which you want to remove an admin. If you have multiple conversations, you might need to scroll through your list or use the search feature to find it quickly. Once you've found the group, click on it to open the conversation. Now, look at the top of the chat window and click on the info icon. This icon typically looks like an eye in a circle and will take you to the group's information page. In this section, you'll see a list of all group members. Find the admin you wish to remove. Next to their name, there will be 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal more options. From this menu, select Remove from Group. This action will prompt a confirmation message asking if you're sure about removing this person. Confirm your choice to proceed. And that's it. The admin will be removed from the group, and they will no longer have access to send or receive messages within that chat. Remember that once removed, they can still see past messages, but cannot participate anymore. This process is straightforward and ensures you maintain control over your group dynamics. Whether you're adjusting roles for better management or simply tidying up your group, these steps will help you do it efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on managing your social media effectively.